It's time for some down preschool with Grinch.
Yay! Hi, kids. And today, I'm going to do some magic tricks.
Yay!
So, for our first trick, I will, you see this box here? That's a very beautiful box, isn't it? But that's not the point. Watch when my assistant here puts something like this ring inside of it. Now, you see said ring, and now you don't. Seth, yeah. How'd you do it, Grinch? How'd you do it? Now, a magician never reveals his secrets.
Aww.
My lips are sealed. Anyway, but that's not all. Now for my second trick, I will make a necklace come out of my hand. Now, as you can see, there is nothing inside my hand right now. Okay, and that, and now watch me pull a necklace out of my hand. Bien.
It's right there.
Ah! It fell out of my hand. No! Now, and now for my third trick, I like when things disappear under my magical disappearing cape. But after that, we have to say the magic words, abracadabra. But first, let me just show you. I have 3 of these, and whatever the heck these are, with me. Now, count with me. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 of these things right here. Now, once we put one under the disappearing cape. Okay? It's under the cape. Now we need to say the magic words. Abracadabra. Ta-da! And it's not there. Now, okay. Now hold on a second. Now I, Grinch the Magician, will make it reappear again. Now, say the magic word with me. Abracadabra. Ta-da! And today, what once was 3 cards became 2 cards, and once was 2 cards becomes 3 cards once again. Thank you for your time.
They're not cards.
Cards. I mean, whatever these things are. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.